In this video we'll show you how we can use constant Z plus the parallel option. So let's go into advanced machining. We're still working under triangle mesh, but this time we're going to use constant Z plus parallel cuts. Set up the machining surfaces. For this option we're not able to specify fixtures, so we don't get the other dialog box which allows us to set that. So the heights, we can set that up here, machining from the machining surfaces. So we can now set up the constant depth step here and the maximum step over. So depth step is for the constant Z, and the step over here is for the parallel cuts. For 2D containment, we can choose to limit the machining just to the cavity as we have done previously, and we'll keep the tool inside that area. Under the feeds, we'll allow rapid retract, and we'll run that toolpath. Okay, so that machines that using the constant Z depth and then the parallel step over, as you can see. So that would finish machine that entire cavity in a single operation. One of the other options that we've got is we can set up how the tool is going to descend into those areas. So we can choose various types of default lead in and lead out depending on the type of work it is we're doing. And to use that, we set up the lead in, lead out here, and then we just choose to use it or not here. And the retracts, we can set those up here, so if we want it to be a wee bit not quite so high up, there we are. And if you can see that, what this is doing is as it's approaching in, it's putting an arc approach in so that we're not plunge cutting in these areas there.